In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Blogpost in Shopify for better SEO. First of all, navigate to the online store, then navigate down to blog posts. In here, you want to create your blog post. Then you want to make your title. My title is best stuffed animals for Christmas. I include my keyword stuffed animals because that's what I sell on my Shopify store, and I include Christmas because this is a blog post created to make to create traffic close to Christmas. And down here I want to add keywords like stuffed animals, I want to add Christmas, I want to add the colors, orange, black, yellow, etc. And I also want to include bullet points because this will make it more obvious for Google and therefore the search engine what you're trying to achieve. I want to include links to other blog posts I have made to create links among the website. So let's say I write about my orange stuffed animal. Then I want to do like this, and I want to insert a link. And then I want to type in my link so that when the visitor reads my blog post and I write about orange stuffed animal, they can click on this link and it will lead them to the orange stuffed animal that I'm selling. And after this, if you have a blog menu on your website, you can add a summary. This is up to yourself. The most important is this, because this is what will be seen on Google and the search engine. First of all, have a page title, which includes your keywords. A meta description is not that much for SEO, but it's more for looks. So and another keyword is to add an emoji right here at the end, because this will make your description, your meta description, stand out compared to your competitors and will have a better click-through rate, which ultimately will lead you to be number one. Just keep your URL handle simple. I just would like it to be like this. After I've done this, I can click on save. And I have now created my blog post. And I can head back to the home tab and I'm done.